Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project called switch values. We have to create like two variables, a equals, for example, 10, yes, and b equals 20. So all we have to do is just print that a equals 20 and b equals 10. So to do that, there's a new logic. So you write c equals a a equals b and b equals c. So all we have to do is just print it. So write print a equals, and over here print a. Okay, let's just copy it, and it will be b and it will be b. Now let's save it up, run it. So as you see, it equals a equals 20 and b equals 10. So okay guys, this is all for switch values. See you in the next video. Bye bye.